Hello, as of the recording of this, it is Tuesday, the 21st. It snowed yesterday, so I went up and got some shots of the snow. You'll see that in a minute. People are out there shoveling the rinks again, getting that cleared away. And I think I spotted a bald eagle scavenging near the hole out there. I think I'm gonna go back out later and check that out. So I'm just getting back from this flight. I'll get that uploaded. You check it out. If you haven't already, give me a like. If you subscribe, if you want to see more, and hit that notification bell if you want to see the videos when they get released. I'll be doing probably some more drone videos this afternoon. I'm gonna try to do more videos this week. We're really cold right now, so I've been flying in, I don't know, 20-degree weather. So far it's been spot on, no problems, and I'm feeling a little more confident about running it down the other end of the lake. So you'll see, I'll keep going further and further so we can explore this area from the air. So give me a like, subscribe, and share with your friend that you think might like the videos too, and enjoy the video. Okay, here we go. Departing the airport once again. So we got about 4 inches of snow last night. As you can see, as soon as it hits the ice, it gets sucked right up. The geese have managed to keep a little hole open over there. It's been really cold. We're averaging about 15 degrees Fahrenheit during the day. If you look here, right there, this next little spot, kind of towards the right of the screen right there, that's a bald eagle. I believe I spotted a dead duck yesterday over there, and I think today the bald eagle is having a little meal on the dead duck. Circle of life. You can see the other side of the middle pond there. It's got plenty of snow still on it. That's extremely solid part over there. This here is where the ice comes together and usually forms sort of a ridge. We've had a lot of wind this year. So all that perfect ice we had is now a thing of the past. You'll see shortly here the skating rinks in front of people's properties are starting to become seen again here in a second. You don't get out there and get this snow off the ice fast. It's pretty much over for your skating rink. This whole section here still has snow on it. So far I haven't seen any ATV snowmobile action. See a rink on the left. They've already got that one opened up. There's two more rinks there that we seen yesterday. They have been covered in snow, and there's someone actively trying to get the snow off of one of them now. And you can see some ice fishermen have already been out there breaking some holes in the ice. The great thing about ice rinks is nobody really owns the ice. So if I wanted to go over there and ice skate, it's well within my rights. Will it start some trouble? Maybe. Maybe not though. Maybe it might start a hockey game. Working hard. Let's see what we got here. Ooh. We started real nice, but then we just kind of gave up on this one here. This one's got some work to do. See, they're trying to preserve that black ice underneath. And then there's the trestle on the rail trail. There should be a railroad go through there. Up towards the west. Now we're looking south. Someday I'm going to go over to that big hill you see over there when the weather gets a little nicer. We're going to check that out. That's an old quarry. We used to spend a lot of time up there as kids. And now we're looking back north. And there's the tobacco barns. The rail trail covered in snow now. Make a perfect snowmobile trail. Way off in the distance, you can see, I believe that's Mount Tom, Holyoke. Way over there. Way over there. And that would be Agawam right there. Looks like there's no snow in the fields across the lake, but I think that's just tall grass. I think I'm going to get out there and do some more flying today, so I'm going to let you watch the rest of this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. If you haven't already, hit that like button. It really helps the channel. It's free. It's so beneficial to the channels on YouTube. I appreciate every one of you that stops by. Have a great rest of your day. Enjoy the video. Bye.